Hello YouTube viewers, it's Silver TARDIS here. Welcome to the first battle of my CyberWars series. In this battle we'll be seeing 3 robots fight to move on to the next round. The 2 other robots you see in the arena are the RefBot, who will be overseeing each fight, and our house robot for this battle is Dead Metal. The 3 robots who will be fighting are Hortron, Granite Grinder, and Chaos2, the number 1 seeds. So, just about ready? 3, 2, 1, action! Chaos2, oh! Granite Grinder straight out of the arena. I didn't see that coming, but then again we are talking about Chaos2 here. Whoa, Hortron flying, oh, they're gone already. I didn't see that coming. Cease.